Hey everybody, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. And the reason why this video is a little bit different, first of all today guys, I want to thank all of you who have supported the Video Geek Squad channel for this last year. You know, it's been a lot of peaks, a lot of valleys, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of learning and a lot of growing. And so I just wanted to first of all say thank you to all of you that support my channel. With that being said, today's video is going to be a little bit different because I want to give you guys a sort of an inside look and a peek at what it's like to be a beginner affiliate marketer on the internet using YouTube to earn some income with affiliate marketing. Now, my affiliate marketing income comes from several different places. One of the places that it comes from is a lot of the software reviews. Well, this particular channel is for the software reviews that I do. And you guys know I also have the videogeeksquad.com website, and that's where we sort of sell our courses and our in-depth tutorials and stuff like that. But what I wanted to do today is to kind of talk to you and give you a realistic view or vantage point of what it's like to really be an internet marketer, affiliate marketer on YouTube. When I first started out on this journey, I really didn't have a clue as far as, how shall I say, reviewing SaaS products or software as a service products at all. I started looking at it. My whole focus was to make back some of the money that I was spending on some of the products that I was buying and using for myself. And so, but what I noticed is a lot of people kept coming and they say, hey, we kind of like your tutorial. Can you make a tutorial about this or something or like that? And then I would make another tutorial. And so I kept making tutorials and people like them. And the channel has grown because of it. And with that being said, I want to kind of give you guys a sort of behind the scenes sort of look at if you're starting something like this, because for the most part, this is what we call a faceless YouTube channel. Now, there's a lot of people out there trying to teach you about YouTube automation, and they're trying to say, okay, you can make a lot of money where you don't have to do anything. Let me just say right off the bat, that is not me. I am not the kind of person who's going to tell you that this doesn't take work. YouTube is work. Anybody who does not tell you that YouTube is work is lying to you, okay? Bottom line, I work a lot on these YouTube videos. And what I want to tell you in this video is, first of all, don't give up. Don't give up. If you are focused on growing your channel, you want to learn, you want to grow, and you want to build. You want to learn the things that you need to learn in order to optimize your YouTube videos. Then you want to grow your channel and you want to grow what it is that you're doing, duplicate what it is that you're doing, and then you want to build or scale what it is that you're doing. All right. Now, I started this channel primarily, reviewing AppSumo products and a lot of AppSumo products. And what I've decided to do coming forward in 2024 is to sort of expand my reach a little bit more and to give you guys more options for products and different products that are available in different spaces and places. I happen to build courses, and so it's really important for me to reach out to other individuals and to expand our mailing list and to reach other people. And so what I want to tell you guys, first of all, is we are expanding our reach as far as our affiliate marketing and our affiliate income and what we're doing there. And so on this channel, I want you guys to get the most out of this channel that you could possibly get. So how can you help me with that? Number one, I need your comments. I need your feedback. I need for you to tell me, okay, hey, can you make a video about this? Or I missed a point here. I didn't understand this point. Can you make another video, or can you tell me, explain something to me about that? I need for you guys to give me some feedback on the channel and let me know what you're thinking and what you're feeling as far as that's concerned. The other thing that I need for you guys to do for me is to honestly participate. Participate. Because I need your feedback. The only way that I'm going to get better here at this channel is your feedback. And so I really do need your feedback, and I need you guys to give me feedback on that. So what I want to do is I want to kind of give you a behind the scenes look. I'm going to take you over to our Impact site. And this is one of the affiliate sites that we worked for the last year. And I want to show you guys what we've been able to produce in the last year for this particular site. Now I'm going to go in here. Keep in mind, guys, I am a very new to this niche, but I think I'm doing really well because I'm ranking a lot of my videos, right? And we're going to rank even more. So it's going to get really, really busy and really, really crazy around here, right? That's why you want to hit the bell notification so you can stay updated. In my impact account, guys, I am doing very, very low numbers. What I did was I took it from January 1st, 2023 to April the 14th of 2024. Okay, so this is going to bring us all the way. You will see that from the beginning of last year up until now, I've generated almost $30,000 worth of income or commission sales, right? I've done about $30,000 worth of stuff there. Now, with that $30,000, I've gotten roughly about $2,000, a $2,000 payout. And that's just simply from making videos. Now, I've gotten roughly around 2,500 clicks. I've got 228 people to click on the videos. And these conversion rates, and this is completely off. So don't focus in on that because that's off. What I want you to understand is even if you're just starting out and you're just learning, you can grow and you can scale and you can build. I've got about $571 in commissions that are due to me that'll be paid within the next several months. And we're going to get this number even higher because we're going to start producing a lot more videos over here as well. And so you guys can see this and you guys can take a look at that. All right. And so I just want to let you know, even if you're starting small, you can grow. OK. And so I don't want you guys to just focus in on the and my goal is to not focus on the commission, but focus on the mission. What's your mission? Your mission is to grow. Your mission is to learn, grow, and build your business, right? So focus in on your mission, not the commission. If you focus in on your mission and not your commission, you will most certainly get to the place that you're trying to go. Now, I am becoming more or less more focused on you, the viewer, the person who's watching me. Whatever it is that you need to learn and to grow and to build in your YouTube business or your YouTube strategy, my goal is to help you accomplish that and to get as much of that, get you as much information as I possibly can to help you learn, grow, and build your business. And so that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today in this particular video, guys. If you are looking to grow and you want to come alongside with me, I want to really, admonish you to become a member of the Video Geek Squad channel, as well as become a member of the videogeeksquad.com website. The membership is only $20 a month. It'll help you, and you'll be able to see some of the behind the scenes stuff like what I'm showing you here. And I sort of go that into my community and give them a little bit more access to this. And so that way you guys can see it. And you can even request me to make videos. If you're a member of our website, all you do is request a video and we'll upload it onto our website into the members area, and you guys will get access to that information. All right, guys, I want to thank you so very much for coming to this particular video. Please make sure you subscribe to the video, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified each and every time I come out with a new video. And guess what, guys? We have a whole series of videos that's coming on Morning Fame. You don't want to miss it. And then we're going to have a whole series of coming on just about every piece of software that's on this website, so you don't want to miss it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you guys reach out and become a part of the contest that's going on, and you'll find links down in the description below for that. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.